Good morning everyone. I'm Kritika Paliwal and I'm going to teach you English that you all know. So we have been studying the grammar chapter since a very long time, isn't it? So well, I know you might have got bored with the grammars, but yeah, that's important on its place, right? But you know, literature chapters are equally important. So from today we are going to start one of our literature chapters. Okay, so English literature chapter number 10, the story of the four seasons. Okay, so we are going to study this chapter now. No, not the grammar ones. Okay, grammar ones we will cover after this chapter. So story of the four seasons. So in this chapter basically you will study about seasons. You know, there is a very good story about the four seasons. Okay, वैसे तो there are 5-6 seasons, but basically they have given the story on the four seasons only. But it's a story the writer has given it. So on how many seasons he wanted to give the story, he has given the story. So we will study a very nice story, and this is the story of the four seasons. Okay, so basically in this story what is going to happen? Story में basically क्या होने वाला है? Four seasons की जो story है. Okay, so summer, autumn, winter and spring. These four seasons are going to be there in the story. और story इन्हीं four seasons के basis पे है. But before going on the story, we will first solve one good exercise that is given in your book and that I have made on the board for you. So this is given on page number 83. Please open page 83. Page 83 of which book? Fancy book? No. Page 83 of your English treasure book. This one. Okay? Page 83 of this book. So please open this book fast. Alright. Page 83 of your English treasure book. The chapter is chapter number 10, the story of the four seasons. Okay, अच्छा अभी आप सोच रहे होंगे उसके पहले के चैप्टर्स नहीं पढ़े क्योंकि हमारा सिलेबस थोड़ा सा रिड्यूस हुआ है. ग्रामर इंपॉर्टेंट था इसलिए हमने ग्रामर कवर किया है. लिटरेचर के हमने कम चैप्टर्स रखे हैं इस सेमेस्टर में, ठीक है. बट दिस चैप्टर इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, सो आई हैव केप्ट दिस चैप्टर फॉर यू. ओके, सो पेज 83, chapter number 10, the story of the four seasons, and you can see these type of pictures made over there on page 83, and the same pictures I have made for you here. All right, gloves, coconut water, this umbrella, this winter coat, sweater, okay, these boots and a glass of cold drink. Okay, so पहले इसको solve करते हैं, है ना. Take out your pencils and basically इस exercise में हमें 3 seasons के basis पे ये exercise दी है. What are those 3 seasons? Summer season, जो गर्मियों का मौसम होता है, that summer season. Winter season, the season that has just begin. अभी जो season just start हुआ है, winter season है ना, ठंडी वाला मौसम. Then monsoon, the rainy season, okay, in which rain falls, right? So monsoon. So we have to write it there. Okay, वैसे तो S for summer we have to write, W for winter we have to write, but we will write the full spelling so that you will at least learn the spelling. Okay, so let's do it. So these are what? These are hand gloves. So when do you generally wear gloves made of wool? Wool, okay? ऊन के कपड़ों से बने हुए जो gloves होते हैं वो आप generally कब पहनते हो? In this season only, in the winter season only, right? So let's write winter here. W. One minute. W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. Okay, W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. Then when do you drink coconut water? Do you drink coconut water in this season? Well, coconut water is good for every season, but it's a little bit cold and we we do not generally drink cold things in the winter season, right? So we drink cool things in the summer season. So coconut water. Let's write summer here. SUMMER, summer. Okay, and everybody of you will be doing this exercise with me. Okay, आलसी नहीं करना है लिखने में. So just do it fast with me. Winter season we use gloves. In the summer season we drink the coconut water. We usually drink the coconut water, right? Then umbrella. In which season do we use umbrella? In the monsoon season, right? The rainy season. Both names are correct for it. So monsoon. हम monsoon लिखेंगे, हम एक नया name सीख रहे हैं, right? इससे. So M will write monsoon. Okay, we use umbrella in the monsoon season. We do not use umbrella in the summers or winters. We use umbrella in the monsoon. So MON mon, SOON soon, monsoon. Then when do we use coat, blazer? Like just as I am wearing a blazer because I am feeling so cold here, है ना? So when we feel cold, we wear blazers or sweaters, right? So when do we feel cold? We feel cold in the winter season. So let's write winter here. WINTER, winter. WINTER, winter. Okay, please write this fast. So winter, summer, monsoon and again winter. Now these gum boots. When do you wear the boots? जो आपको बारिश से बचाते हैं, जो आपके पैरों को गीला नहीं होने देंगे, जिसको पहनकर आप ऐसे पानी के गड्ढों में जंप कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो कब आप पहनते हैं वो? You wear boots, we wear boots in the rainy season, in the monsoon season. Okay, so let's write monsoon here. MONSOON, monsoon. MONSOON, monsoon. Okay, the last one is a glass of juice. Okay, is it visible? Is it looking like a glass of juice? देखो, there is a straw in it and some ice cubes are also there. ठीक है, इस ग्लास में straw डली है और कुछ ice cubes है. जब हम ice cube डालते हैं किसी चीज़ में तो that thing becomes very chilly, बहुत ठंडी हो जाती है वो चीज़, और ऐसी ठंडी ठंडी चीज़ें पीने का कब मन करता है? In the monsoon season, no, not at all. In the summer season, right? So we usually drink cold drinks in the summer season. So let's write summer here. Okay, SUMMER, summer. Okay, I'm giving you 1 minute to write this and then after we will start our chapter explanation. Hope you all are writing. Dear parents, please pay attention when your child is writing. Well, I know you are very alert parents, so you must be paying attention. That is appreciable. Okay, so now we will move on to our chapter explanation part. For that I have to rub this. Okay, Now children, you have to open page number 84 of your English treasure book. Okay, page 84. Please open page 84 so that we can start our explanation. So you know, स्टोरी में क्या हो रहा है, जैसे आप भी देखते होंगे कि हमारे यहाँ पर सीजन्स, हमारे इंडिया में बेसिकली, इंडिया यू नो इट्स अ फैंटास्टिक कंट्री, क्योंकि इंडिया में ही इतने सारे सीजन्स आते हैं. ठीक है, इंडिया ऐसी कंट्री है जो इतने सारे सीजन्स पूरे साल में एक्सपीरियंस करती है. तो यू नो वी शुड बी वेरी ग्रेटफुल बीइंग एन इंडियन. ओके, एंड बिकॉज वी इंजॉय ईच एंड एवरी सीजन, राइट. चलिए, तो क्या हो रहा है कि स्टोरी में बेसिकली ये हो रहा है कि जैसे आप भी देखते हैं, थोड़े टाइम के लिए समर सीजन होता है, थोड़े टाइम के लिए विंटर होता है, थोड़े वक्त के लिए रेनी सीजन होता है. तो ये जो टर्न बाय टर्न सीजन्स चेंज होते हैं. सो दिस इज वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी इन आवर लेक्चर, इन आवर चैप्टर. ओके, दैट हाउ द सीजन्स आर चेंजिंग. तो जो स्टोरी मेकर है उन्होंने बहुत ही ब्यूटिफुली ये जो सीजन्स का टर्न होता है ना, टर्न बाय टर्न जो सीजन चेंज होते हैं, उसे एक स्टोरी फॉर्म में मोल्ड किया है. एंड दैट स्टोरी इज वेरी गुड. ओके, सो लेट्स बिगिन. अभी समर, ऑटम, विंटर एंड स्प्रिंग, वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट द 4 सीजन्स हियर इन दिस स्टोरी. व्हाट आर दोस सीजन्स? फर्स्ट सीजन इज समर. Second season is autumn. Third season is, in the story, is winter. And fourth season in the story is spring. ठीक है? So you know, if I translate all the names of the seasons in Hindi, summer season जो गर्मियों का मौसम होता है, autumn season पतझड़ बोलते हैं इसे हिंदी में, है ना, जब पेड़ के सारे पत्ते सूख कर गिरने लगते हैं, हरियाली ज़्यादा नहीं हमें दिखती है, तो वो सीजन होता है ऑटम सीजन. ओके, देन विंटर सीजन. विंटर सीजन यू ऑल नो, विंटर एंड समर, दीज आर दो सीजन विच ऑल ऑफ यू मस्ट बी नोइंग. विंटर सीजन जो ठंडी का मौसम होता है, जो अभी चल रहा है ना. फिर देन स्प्रिंग सीजन, यू नो दिस इज माई फेवरेट. सो स्प्रिंग सीजन, हिंदी में इसे कहते हैं वसंत ऋतु. ठीक है, व्हेन ग्रीनरी इज ऑल ओवर अराउंड अस, फ्लावर्स आर ब्लूमिंग, बहुत सारे फूल खिलते हैं. ठीक है, एंड यू नो वी सेलिब्रेट बसंत पंचमी ऑल्सो इन द स्प्रिंग सीजन. ओके, सो दिस ऑन अबाउट ऑल दीज 4 सीजन्स वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी इन दिस स्टोरी. अब क्या हो रहा है ना, इसी जिस ऑर्डर में मैंने इनका नंबर लिखा है, मैंने इनको लिखा है समर, ऑटम, विंटर एंड स्प्रिंग. अभी यहाँ तो ये हमारे लिए सीजन्स हैं, बट इन द स्टोरी दे आर यू नो दे आर लाइक पीपल, ऑल द 4 सीजन्स. So let's start the story. I am going to read the story and you will put your finger over there. I am beginning my reading on page number 84, first paragraph. Okay, long ago. Please put your finger over there. So, long ago, there lived 4 gods on earth. They were brothers, but they were very different from each other. Their names were Spring, Summer, Autumn and Winter. Okay, now I am explaining you the first paragraph, that small paragraph. Long ago means बहुत टाइम पहले, है ना. There lived 4 gods on earth. Okay, who are those gods? These 4 seasons, they are named as gods. Okay, तो इन चारों सीजन्स को कहा गया है कि बहुत सालों पहले ऑन द अर्थ पर, पृथ्वी पर 4 गॉड्स रहते थे, 4 भगवान थे, है ना. 4 गॉड्स वर देयर. देयर नेम्स वर समर, ऑटम, विंटर एंड स्प्रिंग. सो इन द स्टोरी व्हाट आर दीज 4 सीजन्स कॉल्ड? दे आर कॉल्ड एज गॉड्स. ओके वैसे तो गॉड एक ही है ना, गॉड इज ओनली वन, वी डू नॉट यूज एस फॉर गॉड, बट हियर क्योंकि all the 4 seasons are God, so to show them as plural in number, we are using the word we are using the plural form of gods. Okay, so these are 4 gods. Long ago they and all these 4 gods are brothers. They were brothers. ये चारों जो god हैं, समर, ऑटम, विंटर एंड स्प्रिंग, they were brothers. ये चारों आपस में भाई थे. Okay, so their names, you have to remember their names: summer, autumn, winter and spring. These were the 4 brothers. These were the 4 gods who were brothers. Then one day their father said that they all could rule the earth. I'm reading the second paragraph. Okay, one day their father said that they all could rule the earth. The brothers were very happy. So one fine day, एक दिन उनके फादर ने कहा कि वो चारों, क्योंकि वो गॉड है अर्थ पर, तो वो चारों अर्थ को रूल कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, रूल करना. What is the meaning of ruling something? To rule something means to control that place. Okay, to rule something. The meaning of this word in your book, rule is given in the red letters. So rule means to control a place. किसी भी place को control करना, किसी भी place का जो controller होता है उसे कहते हैं ruler, है ना? Okay, so one day their father said that all these 4 brothers, all these 4 gods could rule the earth. Okay, they can control the earth. वो earth के राजा बन सकते हैं. ठीक है, but the brothers were very happy and they were like very happy. All these 4 brothers, summer, autumn, winter and spring, all these 4 brothers were very very happy. Then I'm reading the next paragraph, the 2-line paragraph. But father, there is only one earth. How can all 4 of us rule at the same time? They asked. You can take turns, the father replied. Okay, so each brother was made the king of the earth for 12 months. Now what is the meaning of all these 3 lines that I have read? But father, there is only one earth. Abhi father has said कि all 4 of you can rule the earth. Okay, father has told them to rule the earth. But earth, what is this? This is our planet earth. Okay. But you know, earth is only one. There is only one earth. And gods, the rulers are 4. Okay. क्या आपने कभी सुना है कि किसी एक जगह के 4 राजा होते हैं? नहीं ना, एक जगह का एक ही राजा होता है, right? So the problem arose there that the earth is only one. Okay, all 4 of them asked their father that the earth is only one. How can 4 of us rule the earth? Okay, उन्होंने बोला अर्थ तो एक ही है, हम चारों कैसे रूल कर सकते हैं अर्थ पर? So their father replied that you can take turns. Okay, you can take turns. आप टर्न्स चेंज कर सकते हैं, आप टर्न वाइज रूलर बन सकते हैं अर्थ के. Their father told them, right? Now what is the meaning of taking turns? It is written in the red letters there. To do something one after the other. एक के बाद एक काम करना. ओके, एक ही चीज को टर्न बाय टर्न करना. ओके, जैसे here they were being the rulers, turn by turn. जैसे क्लास में हम लोग आपको मॉनिटर्स बनाते हैं टर्न बाय टर्न, राइट? जैसे क्लास में टीचर्स आते हैं टर्न बाय टर्न पीरियड्स में, राइट? In the different period, different teachers come and then they control the class of yours and then they teach you. So just like that, just like your teachers take turns while teaching you in the school hours, just as we make you monitors turn by turn, right? The same way the father of all four of them told them कि they can become the gods by taking turns. Okay, so this was the solution of this. So each brother was made the king of the earth for 12 months. So अब turn by turn रूल करने के लिए कहा गया, तो each brother was made the king of the earth for 12 months. For how many months? Okay, each brother became the king for 12 months. जैसे क्लास में आपको मॉनिटर बनाया जाता है मोस्टली कितने टाइम के लिए? 1 वीक के लिए. देन मॉनिटर गेट्स चेंज्ड. क्लास में आपके टीचर आते हैं, 40 मिनट्स का लेक्चर लेते हैं, देन द टीचर गेट्स चेंज्ड. ओके, बट here these four gods were made the king for 12 months. अभी उनका टर्न का पीरियड क्या था? 12 months का पीरियड था. That means one god is going to rule for 12 months, and then after those 12 months completion period, another person will become the ruler. Okay, another person will rule. जैसे कि summer, firstly the turn of summer came, then after 12 months autumn was the king of the earth, then after 12 months winter was the king of the earth, then after 12 months spring was the king of the earth. And do you know what is this 12 months time period called? It's 1 year, you know. 12 months equal to 1 year. 12 months equal to 1 year, na? In 1 year how many months are there? 12 months. So basically एक साल के लिए एक पर्सन रूल करेगा, फिर दूसरे साल में दूसरा पर्सन. So ऐसे हर एक को कितना वेट करना पड़ेगा? 3 साल के लिए वेट करना पड़ेगा अपनी टर्न के लिए. Okay, but that we will study later on. Now their turn by turn being the rule that has started, being the ruler, that thing has started. So first, who became the king? First, who became the king? Summer became the king. You know why? Because Summer was the eldest brother. Summer इन चारों में सबसे बड़ा भाई था. Okay, so Summer was the eldest brother. So Summer became the king for the first. Okay. Now I'm reading this paragraph beginning from Summer. Okay, I'm here on page number 84, the paragraph that is beginning from Summer. So Summer, the eldest of the 4 brothers, was the first one to become the king of the earth. He was very hot-headed. With his heat, the earth heated up in no time. The days and nights became very hot. Sometimes the heat was so severe that people and animals felt very uncomfortable. Okay, this paragraph I have read out. So, these things you have to remember, that they were made the king for 1 year previously, and who became the king first, and all those things. These we are going to cover in the exercise and the question answers. So you better remember these things. So now children, who became the king first? Summer became the king first. Okay, because why Summer became the king first? Because Summer was the eldest brother. E-L-D-E-S-T, eldest brother. Okay, Summer was the eldest brother. Eldest means सबसे बड़े. Okay, so Summer was the सबसे बड़ा भाई. Okay, then, but you know, Summer was very hot-headed. What is the adjective used for Summer? Adjective, remember, adjectives are the words that shows the quality of a noun. So here noun is Summer. अभी इनकी क्या quality थी? इन बड़े भाई की क्या quality थी? कि ये बहुत hot-headed थे. Okay, let me write the word for you. Summer was very hot-headed. अच्छा, हॉट हेडेड, हॉट मीन्स गरम, हेडेड दिमाग की। सो समर जो थे बहुत गरम दिमाग के इंसान थे, ठीक है। सबसे बड़े भाई जो थे वो सबसे ज्यादा गरम दिमाग के थे। अभी गरम दिमाग का मीन्स बहुत गुस्से में रहते थे, ठीक है, आई मीन रेड एंग्री ऑल द टाइम। सो विथ हिज हीट, अभी हॉट हेडेड थे तो ऑब्वियसली उनके जो रूल था, उनका जो टाइम पीरियड था रूल करने का, उसमें what he had done with his heat, the earth heated up in no time. What generally happens in summer season? In the morning it is a little bit cold, then the earth heats up in no time, है ना। सुबह सुबह थोड़ा थोड़ा ठीक लगता है समर में हमें, बट फिर देन थोड़ी देर के बाद, मॉर्निंग में ही थोड़ी देर के बाद अर्थ हमारी बहुत गर्म हो जाती है, बहुत गर्मी लगने लगती है, राइट। सो दिस थिंग हैपेंड व्हेन समर स्टार्टेड टू रूल। सो with his heat the earth heated up in no time, okay। अपनी हीट से समर जो थे बड़े भैया, वो अर्थ को बिल्कुल बहुत कम टाइम में इतना गर्म कर देते थे। the days and nights became very hot, okay। what was happening? the days and nights became very hot, okay। the days and nights became very hot. what was becoming very hot? days, दिन तो गर्म होते ही थे, रातें भी बहुत ज्यादा गर्म होती थी, ठीक है। sometimes the heat was so severe that people and animals felt very uncomfortable, ठीक है। sometimes the heat was so severe that people and animals felt uncomfortable, okay। severe, this new word has come। severe means extremely hot। इधर severe का क्या मतलब है? extremely hot। sometimes the heat was so severe, heat कभी कभी इतनी ज्यादा हो जाती थी, sometimes the heat was so severe that people and animals who were living on the earth, okay। अभी अर्थ पे सिर्फ लोग ही नहीं रहते, एनिमल्स भी रहते हैं, बहुत सारे माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स भी रहते हैं, प्लांट्स भी रहते हैं, ठीक है। एवरी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट। सो ऑल दोज लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स वर फीलिंग सो अनकंफर्टेबल बिकॉज ऑफ द सीवियर हीट इन द समर्स रूल, ओके। समर के रूल में जो इतनी ज्यादा गर्मी चल रही थी, तो सब बहुत कैसे हो गए थे? अनकंफर्टेबल हो गए थे। एवरीबडी वॉज बिकमिंग अनकंफर्टेबल, okay। everybody was feeling uncomfortable। uncomfortable, what is the meaning of this word? comfortable, जहाँ आपको सब ठीक लगता है, नॉर्मल आप रह पाते हैं, है ना, okay। like I'm talking about the season only, कि समर में जब बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है, just imagine आप अपने घर में बैठे हैं, 5 मिनट के लिए लाइट चली गई है, दोपहर के 12 बज रहे हैं, आप पसीने से नहाने लगे हैं, तो that feeling is the feeling of being uncomfortable, okay। so this was happening during the days and nights in all those 12 months। अभी समर हमारे यहाँ पर तो 3 से 4 महीने रहता है, बट जब बहुत पहले वाले टाइम की बात करें हम, we were talking about a long ago time। so the summer was of 12 months, the summer was there for 1 year। so now you can just imagine कि how difficult it was for the people and animal to survive, okay। so this was all happening in the summer's rule। जब बड़े भैया eldest brother was ruling the earth, these things were happening, okay। अभी इनमें से मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई भी चीज बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी हो रही थी, है ना। now 12 months period was over, summer's rule was now over, okay। so I'm rubbing it। now let's read the third para, the next para। so we have to remember कि in the rule of summer what was happening, then whose turn was there to become the king? it was autumn's turn to become the king। so who ruled on the second place? autumn, 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 okay। AUTUMN, autumn। it was 12 months. So I'm reading the paragraph, here I am. Okay, then came autumn's turn, the second last paragraph here. Then came autumn's turn. So then came, put your finger over there everybody, then came autumn's turn to become the king. He was gentler than summer, he brought down the heat on earth. The people and animals were now calm. The trees shed their worn out leaves that had dried up during summer's rule. ठीक है, अभी हम थोड़ा समर के रूल की बात कर लेते हैं फिर से. क्या हुआ था, समर में इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी हो गई थी कि इंसान तो ठीक है वो ऐसे सूखते नहीं हैं, बट जो पेड़ पौधे थे, द ग्रीन लीव्स, दे ऑल बिकेम ड्राइड अप. ओके, समर इतना ज़्यादा गर्मी दे रहा था कि जितनी भी पेड़ पौधों में जो पत्तियाँ थी वो सारी की सारी सूख चुकी थी. ओके, ऑल द लीव्स ऑफ द plants were dried up during summer's rule. Now it came the autumn's turn to become the king now. Now autumn is the king for 1 year, the next 1 year. So he was gentler. What is the adjective used for autumn? What is the quality of autumn? He was gentler than summer. Okay, gentler. What is the meaning of this word gentler? मतलब समर में जितनी गर्मी हो रही थी, ऑटम में उससे थोड़ी सी कम गर्मी थी. He was gentle in his behavior. He was not so hot-headed like summer. Okay, that means autumn में गर्मी तो थी, but थोड़ी कम थी, समर के जितनी नहीं थी. Okay, what happened? He brought down the heat on summer. He brought down the heat on summer. Brought down the heat. What have autumn done? What had he done? This god, what had he done? He brought down the heat on the earth. अर्थ पर जितनी ज़्यादा गर्मी बढ़ गई थी, इतना ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर बढ़ गया था, ऑटम सीजन ने उसको कम कर दिया. He brought down. What is the meaning of this word? These two words, brought down means टेम्परेचर थोड़ा सा गिरा दिया. Okay, he brought down the temperature. Okay, so टेम्परेचर जब थोड़ा सा गिर जाता है, थोड़ा सा कम हो जाता है, तो अभी हमें गर्मी कम लगती है, हमें थोड़ी ठंडी ज़्यादा लगती है. ठंड तो नहीं आई थी इधर, बट हाँ, जिस एटमॉस्फेयर में लोग आसानी से रह सके, ऐसा एक एटमॉस्फेयर उन्होंने बना दिया था. Who? Autumn. Okay. People and animal were now calm. Okay. When autumn brought down the heat, people and animal were now calm. They were feeling calm. In summer's rule, people and animals were feeling uncomfortable. In the autumn's rule, people and animals were feeling calm. Okay, थोड़ा शांति लग रही थी, थोड़ा सा अच्छा लग रहा था, काम लग रहा था. The trees shed their worn out leaves that had dried up during summers. Trees shed their worn out leaves. Okay, the trees shed their worn out leaves. ट्रीज ने क्या किया, अपने सारे पत्ते जो सूख चुके थे उनको शेड कर दिया. शेड करना मीन्स होता है गिरा देना. ओके, इधर. सो शेड, टू लेट द लीव्स फॉल ऑफ. शेड, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड शेड? टू लेट ऑल द लीव्स फॉल ऑफ. ऑल द लीव्स फेल डाउन फ्रॉम द ट्रीज. आपने देखा है समर के बाद क्या होता है, जितने पत्ते सूख चुके होते हैं पेड़ पौधों पर, वो सारे गिरने लगते हैं, वो सारे नीचे गिर जाते हैं सूखे हुए पत्ते. जो जितने भी मोस्ट ऑफ द ट्रीज दे बिकम बेयर. ओके, ट्रीज जो होते हैं उनमें सिर्फ ब्रांचेस हमें दिखती हैं, सारे पत्ते सूख कर गिर जाते हैं. ऐसा होता है एक सीजन में. यस. ओके, सो आई थिंक दिस इज इनफ फॉर यू. दिस एक्सप्लेनेशन इज इनफ फॉर टुडे. We had started our chapter 10, that is the story of the 4 seasons. Summer ruled up, autumn's rule was going on. Now autumn के rule में ये सब हुआ. Then after 12 months another god ruled. That we will study in the next lecture. आज के लिए इतना is enough. So we'll meet in the next lecture, same time, same place. Be ready with your books and comment down here in the YouTube which is your favorite season. Okay? अभी आप थोड़ा टाइप करना भी सीखिए, YouTube में अभी कमेंट करिए कि आपका फेवरेट सीजन कौन सा है. All those who are watching this lecture, comment down if you are liking this story and comment down your favorite season in the YouTube, in the comment section of YouTube. Okay, so we'll meet in the next lecture. Bye bye, take care and don't forget to comment.